First, open Google Flow and log in with your Google account. Once you're inside, create a new project. Now, upload the photo of your product, object, or basically anything you want to use for this effect. Next, make sure you select Video Generation, choose Ingredients, and set the aspect ratio to Portrait, 9:16. For the video model, select OmniFlash, and for the duration, 8 seconds is more than enough. Now add the photo you just uploaded into the prompt box. Then paste this prompt. I've also included the full prompt in the description, so you can easily copy it. The prompt basically tells the AI to keep your product exactly the same while creating a super fast white web that shoots in from the left, grabs the product, and instantly pulls it out of the frame. Once everything is ready, just hit send and let Google Flow generate the video. It might take a few minutes, so just wait for the generation to finish. And there you go, your spiderweb AI effect is ready. So if you have a product you want to promote, definitely give this trend a try. And who knows, your next AI video might be the one that gets millions of views. If you try this effect, don't forget to experiment with different products and scenes, because the more creative you get, the more viral your video can become.